Here we have for you a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre SE65 PS. Now the car is in a great shape and it has a good spec as well, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill holds control, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, an anti-lock braking system, and that is alongside these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. Now the boot, it's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a multimedia interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.